Well, nearly 2 years ago, the nation started to shut down as the first COVID-19 cases began to appear.
And one of the first cases in the Tri-Cities came in Washington County, Tennessee. Bianca Murray shares the story of the executive chef at the Blackthorn Club.
He contracted COVID in March of 2020.
James Allen went on a trip to New York with his buddies for a friend's 40th birthday, and after waiting several days following negative test results from all of his travel companions, he went back to work. It wasn't until day 4 of being back in the restaurant that he became ill.
So we just went up to New York, kind of thought we could get there before the wave crashed.
Turns out Allen had caught more than just a concert in New York. He returned to work that Friday.
That Monday is when I started feeling sick. Tuesday is when I really felt bad.
Sure enough, the test was positive.
Went and got tested, which took 6 hours of talking to the health department because they hadn't tested anybody. They had no protocol set up. They had nothing set up. And I remember driving to the test center because I was trying to quarantine, stay away from family and all that, so I drove myself. The masks weren't even a thing back then, you know.
Contact between a head chef and restaurant patron isn't unheard of.
Friday nights and Saturday nights, you know, once the food goes out, I try to touch some tables and just see how everything was and, you know, just talk to the members.
The eventual positive result did not faze the healthy chef. It was the possible repercussions of the result that irked him.
Who did I give it to who might come in contact with their grandmother or their grandfather or someone who's, you know, immunocompromised? Who did I inadvertently give it to? And that kept me up. I mean, I was so nervous about that.
Our region has come a long way in the last 2 years in terms of contact tracing, mitigation strategies and treatment options. But health officials still urge that our region's vaccination rate remains low.